Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to navigate the Destiny Discover Catalog with a focus on how to best find an independent fiction reading book. The best starting point is the NHS LibGuides, which you can reach by the NHS website or a bookmark folder that's pushed out by the district on the left side of your bookmark bar, or by simply searching NHS LibGuides. Once on our LibGuides homepage, you'll select the big blue Library Catalog button here on the right. We're now in the Destiny Discover Catalog, where all NHS print and digital resources are cataloged. If you're looking for a specific title, author, or topic, you can use this search bar at the top of the page. You may not, however, have a specific book in mind, but are instead looking to browse for something that looks interesting. There are two best ways to do that in Destiny Discover. The first is this collections ribbon, which features groupings of books or book types, including quick reads, novels in verse, award nominees, diverse authors, among others. To see the list of titles in any collection, just click on the icon. The second ribbon includes the 14 genres that we use to organize our NHS fiction collection. Hopefully, you've seen the fiction genre browsing guide that is posted in the fiction area of the library and shows each genre and the associated spine label color. When browsing the collection in person, you'll see that the books are physically arranged on the shelves by genre. Browsing here in Destiny allows you to quickly see the covers of many books in the genres you're most interested in. As an example, I've clicked into the mystery horror genre, where I can view the 200 plus titles in this genre and note whether each book is currently available or checked out to another student. When I click on a book cover, I'll get a short summary of the book, which is helpful in deciding whether it sounds interesting to you. You'll also note the book's call number, which is necessary to find the book on the shelf. These fiction call numbers contain three pieces of information. The first tells me that this book is located in the fiction section. The second identifies the genre, in this case mystery. And the third is just as important. It's the first three letters of the author's last name and is necessary to locate the book on the shelf. You are, of course, always welcome to ask any of the library staff for help. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in our library, and please let me know if I can help you find your next great book.